Hello, YouTubers. It's me, Jerry the Journeyman. Oh, once again, it's been a long time no see, no hear from you. From me, to you, to nobody, don't matter. So as you know, maybe you do, most likely I'm gonna say you don't. My Uncle Vroovis, he tend to give me gifts for my hard work. My hard work I do for him. So, last time he surprised me with some ring gear, Alexa Bliss. So anyway, I got this package. I got this package on my front door. It's not sealed, but it has a little message. I know, cause it says, "Don't peekaboo love you Vroovis." The you uncle, Tio to some people, Vroovis. So anyway, so this box, I'm not sure, it's very kind of heavy. It's very heavy. I'm going to go out on a little limb, and think it's probably going to be wrestling stuff. He knows I'm the big wrestling fan. He sees this joy it brings to my face. I can kind of see stuff in there. I haven't looked. So we're going to be surprised together again to see why he's doing this to me. I still can't, I think every day. Every day I wake up, I say, "Uncle Vroovis, I owe you so much for all the gifts you give me." So we're going to see what this is. An early Christmas present? I don't know. So anyway, I'll stop the talking. Let's see what's inside the box. I'm going to open. I don't know. 100% don't know what's in here. Okay, there we go. Need to seal it because okay, legit. Oh, look at this. I want to look. Okay, it looks like it's a Sasha Banks autograph t-shirt. Let's take a look. Okay, extra large shirt. Oh, it's kind of tiny. Must be a women's. Yeah, it's a women's shirt. I'm not no women, but oh, look at that Boss Town. Oh, I remember this. This is the Hell in a Cell. Even though she lost to Charlotte in her hometown, I remember they made this custom shirt. And look at that, autographed in gold. That's her autograph for sure. I've seen it. That's 100% legit. Okay, well, that's cool. I know the box was heavy. What else is in there? It's like a grab bag, or you know, like in Halloween, they do the noodles and they think it's the brains, and you reach in the grab bag. I don't know what okay, it feels like a cup. Oh, Sasha Banks again. Look at a Slurpee cup, huh? A Slurpee, a Sasha Banks. I don't remember there being no Slurpees because I go to 7-Eleven, you know, late at night before I have to go to work. You know, I have to wait outside, you know, for hours, and I need some drinks, and I don't remember them doing no Slurpees. Look at that. That's cool. That's some promotional. That's cool. Okay. I got a cup to drink my milk in the morning. Next. Oh, I feel something here. I think I know what this could be. Holy shit. Oh, look. Hold on. Oh, my God. Look at this. Holy shit. Oh, look at that. Oh, the custom side plate. The nameplate. Sasha Banks. A women's belt. Oh, look at that, Sasha. X3. That means, well, it's by the third time she won this. She was a 3-time champion. Oh, my goodness. That thing is heavy. Oh, look at that. Got the hologram. Authentic. Oh, we know it. Look at that. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I mean, I'm not going to wear it. Look at that. Look at the jewels. Oh, boy. Look at that. That's her autograph for sure. That ain't no forgery. That ain't signed by no secretary or no bimbo in the back of stage. Say, "Here, I'm going to sign it for you." Look at that. These things are like the belts are what, $350, $350. It's got the signature. Oh my God. What the heck? What is he? I don't know. I spoiled. Oh man, that's why the box is so heavy. I don't even know if there's anything else in the box. Let me check. I just like to be. Oh, I feel. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's one of the photos. He gave me Alexa Bliss, 2 of them. Look at this. WrestleMania 34, 18 in Minneapolis. Yeah, he went. He didn't go to that one. He went to New Orleans, but look at that. Oh, look at that in the gold. See, 18 to 34. Yeah, that's legit too. Oh, sorry about the damn focus. Here, let's get the good focus. Oh, there we go. Official 8x10. Number 18 to 34. See, look at that autograph. They don't make, look, see, oh, those are, that's all authentic. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it feels, oh, look at this, trading. Oh, what the hell is this? Look at this. Oh, these are the, I don't know what year this is. I know this. These are the Undisputed WWE top. Look at that. You know the printing plates. They do plates where they to make the card, they had to do the plates. I know, because I have other plates of hers. And like these, this is all, I know they make 4 only. And this is all 4. Look at that. To produce these signature cards, these are the actual 4. All 4. Not the 1, not the 2, not the 3. But all, look like the 4 horsewomen. All 4 plates to produce are in here. Look at that. Oh, crap. And we got a number 10. Oh, sorry. Oh, I just can't. Like, we got the number 10 parallel. We got the 25, a 50, a 99, 299. Look at that. 9 autographs. Sasha, what? See, look at the plate. See? I have a Charlotte Flair, Carmella, AJ Styles, Edge ones of these of different years. So I know they have the sticker. See? Look. Sorry. There we see 2016. This is the actual Scion, the blue plate. We got the magnet, a pink, yellow, and we got the black. Holy, look at that! All 4 in all one set. How many people of any of the autographs have all 4? That's insane. I mean, this right here must be, I don't know, at least $1,300, $1,400, $1,500 just for these. Sorry, I gotta move on. No, what the hell? Okay, I'm reaching. What is this? Holy crap! You no way! He couldn't do this. He did this like this. Oh no! Oh look! Wait a minute. I'm just gonna pull it all out. That. Holy shite! Oh my God! Look at this! Holy crap! Holy shit! Alright, I'm sorry with the. This is like her ring gear. Oh, look at that, Banks! Oh my goodness! Look, it's signed. This must be for the legs. Look. Oh my God! Look at this. Holy shit! They got the top. Look at this. Holy crap again. You gotta be kidding me, Vroovis. And there, oh, looks like a couple jewels are missing. But look, she signed. Look, it has the straps just like the Alexa Bliss one. Look at this. Ring 1 gear by Sasha Banks. Look. Oh my goodness, look at they got the craftsmanship. Look. My God. Oh, you can see. Oh, inside there's little tape marks, so no wardrobe malfunction, I guess. That's a good thing. You don't want that. Oh my goodness. That's a lot. Oh, there's another. These are the leggings for her boots, I guess. Look at that. Banks. And you got. Oh my goodness, Sasha. So see, look. It says Sasha Banks. That is incredible. Oh, let's take a look. Oh my goodness. That is insane. I don't know. I don't know what the heck. It's like, here, let me put it together. We're running out of things. Look at this. We got the cards. Oh crap. Look. So, okay, I'm gonna lay this out.
What do you got this time?
What? What did you do? Huh?
Uncle my dad, Uncle Vroovis, he always buys you something.
What?
He's always buying you gifts.
So what?
He never buys me his own blood, his own son.
Wait.
Nothing.
Sorry. What are you doing?
Your stupid little Barbie doll dress.
That's not Barbie.
For wrestling. I saw how much he paid
Whatever you.
for the last one.
Wait, hold on. I gotta put this.
Huh?
Oh, hold on. We gotta put this back. What?
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 Oh, you're just a little teeny tiny pussy.
No, I'm not.
Little tiny pussy.
No, I'm not. You are. You're the little pussy. Ah, come say it to my face. Oh, you think you're so cool? Nikko. Oh, my name is Nikko.
Get it?
Huh?
What you said?
You heard me.
What you said, pussy boy?
I'm no pussy.
You know this is not fair. I know how much he paid for your little, what's her name? Alex? The Bliss?
Alexa.
I saw how much he paid for your little Barbie doll outfit.
These are Barbies. It's life size.
He says, I don't know, Nico. I'm gonna take you out to the deli. Get you some chicken streaks. Maybe a large soda for the hard work. The hard work that I do.
Nobody says you don't work hard.
You. I sell 5 times.
No, you-
maybe 10 times as much.
No, you don't. I'm a better. I move more.
Shut up.
What? No, you.
Stop your stupid videos.
I
I
did.
said, look at me, pussy boy.
I'm looking at your stupid eyes. Your little beady stupid eyes.
I'm his son.
So-
And he treats you like he's his son.
Cause you're a piece of crap.
He treats you better. What did I do? And I
You're a failure. You go to jail.
For you.
You get caught.
Stupid videos that maybe 5 or 6 to people. Shut up.
What? Maybe if you didn't get caught by the police, you wouldn't be so stupid. That's what you do.
What do? You don't do nothing
Yeah,
to deserve this.
I don't get caught.
What are you?
Police don't come to
They
me.
call a pussy, a little fairy boy, or you're gonna put on your little wrestling outfit.
No,
Go, do it. Show the world. Put on the little bra.
I'm not gonna put on the bra.
The panties. Put on the panties. Huh?
I'm no.
Come on, Jerry. Show the world. Put on the panties.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Do it. You know why you're not going to do
Why? Tell me.
Because you are
What?
a capital P.
Whoa.
C. Capital P. Boy.
Oh,
Pussy boy. Bye-bye. Good night.
what are you drinking, you drunk?
Don't ever want to see you again.
I don't want to see your ugly face. You look like a mule's a butt.
I'm gonna go
You
make a sub.
go back to the bar, get drunk.
And he offers me a stupid hot meal from the deli.
I don't know. What do you want me to do?
And I'm gonna
You
shove
suck at life.
in his fat face.
Oh, do it.
Go
He
on,
slapped
go
you.
Steal my dad. Go steal my mama. You go steal. You steal.
I don't steal. I won over their heart.
You make videos of Barbie dolls.
No, there are no Barbies.
I'm out. You think I'm...
Oh, you're out. Go get drunk. Go and pregnate.
Okay.
Go and pregnate your 16th woman.
Ooh, that's it.
You deadbeat. You's a
I'm
deadbeat.
some monster. So whatever. Go on. I'm gonna leave.
Okay.
Money.
Okay.
Go play your fantasy world.
Okay, yeah, okay, Nico. God, what the? So stupid. Yeah, go. You go. Oh, you're so tough now. Oh, you all talk. You work. You talk, and you run. You run like a little ogre. You use a little short ogre. Oh, bye. It's so stupid. God, you just interrupt. Jeez. Oh, I was gonna do the video. Somebody got to come. Oh, well, that was all recorded. I'm ashamed. Sorry. I don't even. That was my cousin Nikko. He's a little jealous. He's jealous because his daddy Vroovis buys me all this wrestling gear. Because I work hard and he thinks he does more. And I don't know. I don't want to drag you in the family drama. I'll block it out. Let me just anyway, I gotta get my focus straight. So anyway, let me just do this real quick because I don't know. That was really embarrassing. So, we got the leggings. That's ridiculous. So she signed the leggings. Look, Sasha Banks and Black Sharpie. Look at all those custom jewels. This one says Sasha. Let me turn it over. It's got a drawstring. And on the back, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. I gotta end this. It's going on. This is just ridiculous. This stupid jealous cousin. Oh, they didn't know Barbie. They don't make no life of Barbie the size of no Sasha Banks. I'm just jealous. Envy. Because he sucks at life. But oh, look at that. Banks. So, this is probably for her right leg. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at the craftsmanship. And I believe she's married to the guy that he makes he tailors a lot of the ring gear. So I wonder if he made this one for her. So she's probably got a lot of ring gear, but I've never seen one for sale or in person. And now I don't know. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do with this stuff. I mean, it could be a little weird. Like, I don't know, you own, but whatever. People own a Tom Brady Super Bowl jersey. People own a Babe Ruth bat. So I own, they don't have jerseys for wrestlers, so they got the ring gear. Tough stuff. You think it's dumb? You probably just a jealous. I can't tell you. You're just a jealous. I'd be too. So look, yeah, a couple of the jewels are missing. Probably during the match. See, look, there's another jewel missing. And there, it says Banks, $sign. Okay, let me flip it. Look at that. There's some jewels. I'm gonna have to go on the network and find the match. With that she wore these. Assuming it's on there. I mean, it looks like obviously she's worn it. It has the tape in there and missing jewels. And so there's that. And finally, the top. She signed it. Right there. All 4 pieces signed. Couple jewels missing. Here's the straps for the arm. Let's just go over it. Yeah, God. God, my stupid freaking cousin. You just ruined everything for me in our video. So there's these. There. It's got like that. It's got a little puffing. And then, like I said, not to be all, be weird, but let's see, like, she must have taken the wardrobe malfunction. Now my voice all raspy because I'm still yelling. Anyway, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about this video getting interrupted. It's like freaking 19 minutes. I don't have to edit out my stupid cousin. I'm sorry to waste your time, but I hope you enjoyed the ring gear. The 4 printing plates, 2016, if I remember, yes, 2016, Undisputed, plus 5 different versions of the card, but all 4 plates, all 4 in existence here. We got the 8x10, the Slurpee cup, drink, we got a replica belt, and we got the t-shirt. So anyway, YouTubers, if I make another video, please watch it. Lest my cousin Nikko kick on my butt, even though he like a little munchkin. Between us and you, he like a Wizard of Oz. He's just like a little munchkin. I could kick him like a football right through 50-yard field goal. He's really the pussy, like he says. Whatever. Anyway, bye-bye. I love you guys. Bye.